Hi, this is Khurram John and welcome to my channel Leo. In this video, we will talk about ChatGPT. Nowadays, ChatGPT became very popular in the social media or you ever heard it from your friends. If you don't know about ChatGPT, so in this video, we will discuss about the ChatGPT. So what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a chatbot. It means it is an AI software which works in a conversational manner, that is in the text format. If you ask a question, it can answer you in the text format which is understandable in the human language. ChatGPT works like a human being and it can answer you your questions you ask. ChatGPT can help you in every field of life. For example, if you are a student, you can ask any question. If you are a developer, you can solve your problems. If you are a content writer of a story, you can use it. If you want to write a poem, if you are an article writer, if you are a translation, if you want translation from one language to another language, or if you ask a general questions from it, it can answer you, and many more. Now the question is, who have developed it? ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI in November 2022. OpenAI is a research organization in the field of artificial intelligence which has the main motive is to promote artificial intelligence for the benefit of the human beings. It was founded in 2015 by a group of high profile like Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Greg Broxman, etc., with the goal of advancing the field of AI and making it accessible to everyone. This organization has made significant contributions towards the field of AI, including developing advanced language models like GPT-3. If you have ever heard about the word GPT-3, know what is GPT-3. GPT-3 is the general purpose language model developed by OpenAI, wherein ChatGPT is the fine-tuned version of GPT-3 that is optimized for conversational text. In other words, we can say that by using GPT-3 model, ChatGPT developed. So think GPT-3 is a bigger toolbox with a lot of features, while ChatGPT is a smaller toolbox that has been fine-tuned just for conversation. So what can ChatGPT do for you? ChatGPT can do the following. It can answer questions on a wide range of topics from science, history, current affairs, and many more. It can generate text on a given topic such as summarizing articles, creating stories, composing poems. It can also have conversations with people on various topics and provide helpful and informative responses. Provide recommendations on the products, services, or solutions based on the user's needs and preferences. It can also predict based on patterns and trends and data such as stock market predictions and weather forecasts. Besides that, if you are a student, you can work and write any questions and solve your questions accordingly. If you are a content writer of a story, you can ask the topic and it will write a story for you. Similarly, if you are an article writer, if you are a poem writer, if you are a developer, so it's very going amazing for you if you are a developer, because it can give you and generate a code for you in the either language you use. If you are stuck in any language in everywhere, so just ask a question from the ChatGPT. It will answer you with the examples, with the code examples along with the code. Just copy the code and paste it in your development environment, and it will ease your life very easily. Besides developing, it can also translate language from one language to another language, generate questions answering. So in other words, you can say that ChatGPT provide a very easy life for you. You can generate any stories, any ideas, any predictions. You can get the help from the ChatGPT. So it gives you a very easy and makes your lives very easy. So in the next we will give you an example with example that how the ChatGPT will work. Let's see. Let's see with an example. In Google, just type ChatGPT and click on search. Click on the first link, which is openai.com. Click on try or try ChatGPT. I have already created my login, so you have to create your login and you will be redirected to this page. Let's ask some questions. Hi, my name is Khurram. Do you know my name? I think there is a little load on the server, that's why it replies. Okay, it just like behaves like a human and interacts and answers you like a human being. Of Pakistan. Okay, ChatGPT has the knowledge up to 2021. That's why at that time the president of Pakistan was Arif Alvi. Exactly, great answer. Now let's ask some other questions. Can you write a small story on union is strength? Great. It's writing it line by line. Okay, let's stop generate and ask some other questions. Great. Okay. What are the top 3 books for Java? Great, it is giving the book's name and having a little bit explanation about the books. Number 1 is The Head First Java by Kaise and Brett Bates, Effective Java by George Bloch, and the third one is The Complete Reference by Herbert Schild. So it is giving you a very detailed, comprehensive answers as per of your questions. Similarly, you can ask it other questions like write a script CSS for drop down menu. Okay, thank you very much. Bootstrap CSS. It's great. You can see it is providing a sample code for you line by line. That's truly amazing. That's it. Great. Oh, it's also adding this the source scripts. It also shows how to add the script files, that is jQuery and other bootstrap necessary files. and it is also giving you the details about each classes of the Bootstrap CSS. You just copy this code and paste it in your integrated development environment, and that's done. If you stuck anywhere, you can write any question and it will answer you accordingly. For example, I would like, okay, can you write a code for cropping images using C#? That's amazing. Let's give you example line by line with the sample code, as well as it will provide you line by line explanation of each line of the code. You have to just copy this code, paste it into your program. That's it. Great. Now it is explaining in each class and every source of code line by line in detail. So using ChatGPT you can learn many things, and you can, if you are stuck in any programming code, so you can find the solution from ChatGPT. Just copy the code and paste it. You can also ask it, can you write the same equivalent code in Java script? Wow, great. So you can just ask any language you want the code. You just give it the question that give me the answers in that particular language. It will give you the answer in that particular language. So you can ask any question in any field. If you belongs to a medical field, you can ask medical. If you are a blogger, if you are a content writer, if you write a poem, if you want to write a story, just give the topic. It will you give the result as per required. Similarly, it can also write some template formats for the letters. For example, if you want to hire someone as an employee, so you want to a template for hiring job offering letter, so you just give him write a job offering letter for me, template for me. It will write a job offering template for you. So that's it. So it's a very comprehensive code, and it is now explaining it line by line for you. I hope you understand what the ChatGPT